Withdrawing money from Zelle to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Open your banking app. Launch the mobile banking app associated with the bank account where you want to withdraw the funds. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Zelle. Look for the Zelle option within your banking app. This is usually found in the Payments or Transfers section. Tap on it to access your Zelle account. Step 3. Select the Transfer option. Once in the Zelle section, find the option to transfer or withdraw money. This may be labeled as Send Money, Receive Money, or Transfer to Bank. Step 4. Choose the amount. Enter the amount of money you wish to withdraw from Zelle to your bank account. Double check that the amount is correct before proceeding. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Review the transaction details, including the amount and the destination bank account. If everything looks good, confirm the transfer. You should receive a notification once the transaction is complete. Now you can enjoy your funds in your bank account. Always ensure your banking app is updated for the best experience.